As early as 7 a.m., the entire premises of the Federal High Court in Abuja was cordoned off by officers of the Department of State Services and other security operatives. Security was tight, movement restricted, and anticipation high as the court prepared to deliver judgment in the long-running suit. When proceedings commenced, the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, was given the opportunity to adopt some of his processes before the court.
My lord, I am the defendant.
The situation soon escalated as Kanu, visibly agitated, caused a scene inside the courtroom. This forced the judge to order security operatives to take him out, prompting a short adjournment. After the court reconvened, the prosecution counsel and senior advocate of Nigeria, Adegboyega Awolowo, after citing relevant section of the law, prayed the court to proceed with the judgment in Kanu's absence. In a brief ruling, Justice Omotosho held that Kanu had abused all rights and privileges granted to him by the court and decided to continue the judgment without him present. Delivering judgment, Justice Omotosho found Kanu guilty on all counts as charged by the Department of State Services. He then sentenced him to life imprisonment on counts 1, 4, 5, and 6, 20 years imprisonment for count 3, and 5 years imprisonment with no option of fine for the remaining count. Counsel to the federal government, speaking for the first time since the trial began, reacted to the judgment.
Today, we have come to a final end. Justice has been done. And therefore, Nigerians must, one way or the other, appreciate the judiciary.
Also, consultants to Nnamdi Kanu who expressed dissatisfaction with the judgment gave their own reactions.
The judgment is not based on law. It's not based on facts. It's based on politics. It's based on some tribal, primordial sentiments. Just because Nnamdi Kanu is Igbo.
It's because of Nnamdi Kanu is an Igbo. You cannot give this kind of judgment to a northerner. You cannot give it to a southwesterner. You cannot give it to another tribe in Nigeria apart from the Igbos. And we are going to start against it because it has happened in this country against some other persons, including Abiola. The Igbos join hands together to fight against it. Why should it be our own time and everybody's sitting akimbo? It's unfair. Thank you.
They confirmed that the convicted leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra will head to the Court of Appeal in the coming days. In Abuja for News Central.